What's up? What it do? What it do? What it do? Welcome back to my channel for another video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alifia and you have joined me and the rest of the gang for my shenanigans. So in this video, I am going to use these three babies right here. Let's see. I need to make a thumbnail and my nails are horrendous. So let's see. How can we do this? Using these three palettes from Juvia's place. So if you'd like to see how I created this look using these palettes, then please continue to watch. All right, you guys. So I started recording this video. Well, not started. I recorded this video and I got all the way to the end, and then my mom called me and needed me to come over to her place for something with my daughter, and I did not finish. So I got to start all over. So anyway, for this look, I am using the Juvia's Place chocolate palette. I'm using the nudes, and I'm going to use the berries. Now, my original plan was just to use the chocolates by itself, but I ended up having to use the nudes for a deeper color in my crease. And then at the last minute, there was something I wanted to do to my face, my eyes. And so then I ended up using the berries. All right, so let's go in and prime. And y'all know sometimes I use the Fenty Beauty concealer to prime because I don't particularly like this under my eyes, but I have it, so I'm going to use it. So let me tell y'all, I will never, ever purchase a foundation online again. I've done it 3 times, and you know how they say 3 times a charm? Well, no, 3 times is not a charm for me when it comes to purchasing foundation online. Well, because first of all, let me show you right here. This Marc Jacobs was the other item I left off in my Sephora beauty haul, and it is a foundation. They had it on sale for $28, so I went ahead and I bought that foundation. Child, that stuff did not do anything for my face. It was orange and it was just too light and it was horrible. All right, so to start in my crease, I'm going to go in with this color right here. Now, this color right here is not going to do a lot for my crease, but this is the color that I want to go in with first, so that when I go into the next crease color, that color won't be so bold and bright, if you get what I mean. And then the second foundation that I tried to order, I ordered from Tarte, and I ordered this matte Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation, and I ordered the color Tan Deep Golden. Girl, that stuff had me looking like an Oompa Loompa. I looked a hot Oompa Loompa mess, and so I am going to ship both of those back. With the Tarte, I also got the concealer and I got the tan, but that one I don't like, so I am going to send that back as well. All right, so because I'm not going to do a brow bone highlight, I'm taking the same color and I'm going up to my brow bone. And the reason why I'm sending the concealer back, it works with another concealer and I could use it to highlight. However, I'm not one of those people that highlights like real bright. I'm just too old for that. I am, in my honest opinion, I'm too old for that look. That is for someone that's much younger. All right, so then I'm going to go into my crease with this one right here. Now this color right here is going to actually darken my crease up some, and that's what I want. I want to darken it up just a bit, but not too much, because I'm going to go in with another color that's going to darken it even more. So as the creative lady told me once in a video, I don't remember what the video was, but she said that I'm a creature of habit, and yes I am. So when it comes to the foundation, Fenty is my go-to. Maybe one day I'll find something that works for me, but right now I'm not going to keep spending my money, because the last time I spent money buying one, I was like, oh well, I'm not gonna worry about it. Ended up keeping it, didn't send it back. No, I'm sending this stuff back. All right, so now I'm going to go in my crease with this right here, this color right here, and I'm going to use a different brush. It's a little bit smaller, and I'm just going to go in my crease ever so lightly. And I say ever so lightly, but that color is a bit bold, but that's what I want. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. And all I had to do was dip this color in once to get it to that payoff. So it is very very pigmented. It's a very pigmented color. And then I'm going to go back with this brush. I'm not going to add any color. I'm just going to make sure I get rid of any lines of demarcation. All right, and so now I'm going to do my lid. And what I'm going to do with my lid, it's not necessarily a cut crease, but I'm going to take this caramel concealer from Fenty. I'm just going to put this on my lid. And I'm just putting it on so that my color that I'm going to put on next can be a bit bolder. But it's not necessarily to make a cut crease. For my lid, I'm going to take this color right here. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Now something that I didn't do yesterday that I think I want to do, I think I want to take one of those colors from the nude palette and put it on top of this color. Yeah, I'm gonna see how that's gonna look. I'm gonna take the other side of this same brush, and I'm going to use this color right here from the nude palette. And I just wanna go over this color with it. Yeah, just to kind of brighten that up a little bit. And so now what I ended up doing yesterday, which was not a part of my plan, I took this Berries palette and I went in with, which color was it? I took this color right here. I think that's the one it was. And then I just kind of went in my crease with it just a little bit. Just to brighten that up just a little bit. I'm going to take this color right here, the one that I first went into my crease with, and I'm going to use this to blend out any sharp lines here with that berry color. Just to make all that seamless. All right, y'all, so I've done everything to my face except highlight. So what did I do? So I contoured using this Cocoa Naughty from Fenty. And then for my blush, I used this Cream Cool Berry from Fenty. I just noticed this thing has a little mirror in there. I used that, and that is it. I haven't highlighted yet. So now I'm going to line my waterline. Brown pencil from Urban Decay, and it's in the color Espresso. I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm just going to use this color right here I used in my crease, and I am going to go over my waterline. I'm going to line my top lid. I hope I have enough in here to line with, because this one is about dried out, but I don't feel like using the other one. It's just not doing what I needed to do. So I'm going to have to take this liquid liner from Anastasia and use it. I have to give me another felt tip. This is fine, but I want a felt tip. So since I am putting on falsies, I guess I'll give this mascara a try that I got from BoxyCharm, and it's the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara, to keep from using my Benefit mascara. All right, so I am going to step outside of my comfort zone today, and I am going to use these lashes by Kiss. Yeah, I'm stepping way outside my comfort zone and using these lashes. So I'm going to go and put these lashes on, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And I told y'all I love this combo right here. Shayla times ColourPop, and it's the BFF4 pencil with this Royalty lip gloss from Juvia's Place with Fumi times Juvia's Place. And y'all, the lashes are definitely beyond my comfort zone, but I'm trying to expand my horizons. But this combo right here, I really, no lie, I could really get rid of everything I have in my collection when it comes to lip products and just keep this and BFF4, and I would be happy for the rest of my life when it comes to lips. I love this combo. All right, so y'all already know what's coming up next. All right, you guys, so here is the completed look. I really really like the look. I love the way it came out, and I love the way my hair is flowing over to the side. Yes, girl, yes. So anyway, thank you so much for coming to check out a new video. I do appreciate you for stopping by my channel. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and any subscribers, all subscribers, don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so that you'll be notified every time I come in with my new shenanigans. So yeah, other than that, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.